Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is day 15 of my Learning English challenge. Charlie speaking in front of the camera. I show up day 15 right now. The time is 4 p.m. at afternoon, and I'm going to make this video, filming this video while I speak in English. I'm practicing my English speaking. So guys, today in this video I have a good news to myself and to you as well. And since I started learning English, I haven't read any books. I haven't read at all. So I started reading this week. It was just a few days ago, and I really feel like I've read like 50 page. Right now I read 50 page, and I learn many words. I never even think of that words I would learn by reading. There is many words when it comes to reading English. There is, like, for me, the most words I learned so far, it come from by watching movies, YouTube videos, and just practicing in online friends. But when it comes to reading, there is really many words you would never think of. You will never see on movies. You will never see on watching videos. So I recommend you, if you English learner, you should read books. For me, I read online books that articles, just reading Google books, Google books, yeah. And I really feel like, bro, if I need this reading, I can know those words. I can learn many words. I would start it very early. Really, it's very. I'm feeling like I see many words. I never even think of reading them. So also, I building my pronunciation and my grammar. So the first my main goal to read books is to improve my grammar and my pronunciation, because while I speak in English, sometimes I do many grammar mistakes, and also my pronunciation isn't that good. So I want to build my pronunciation and also grammar as well. This also, I want to also, the third one is to improve vocabulary. I'm running out of vocabulary. Is that true? I don't know. Running out we use when we don't have something. Like, for example, if you don't have a milk, if you say I'm running out of milk, that means you don't have enough milk, or you need to buy milk, or you need milk. So right now I'm saying I'm running out of words. I don't know if this sentence is really correct. If we can use words, I don't know, but I'm just trying. So I'm running out of words. I really want to memorize many words as much as possible, because we know my English level become at B1 level, B2 level, and I need to speak like a person. Like, I want to speak like, I want to know many words, and to communicate. Also, so reading, I want my attention of reading books is to learn many words, building my pronunciation and my grammar as well, because I have a shaky grammar. I think my grammar, I don't know, I cannot say, but I don't know grammar. I never study grammar. And also, I want to write down grammar and see, maybe write down, make a quizzes. But reading is very important when it comes to grammar, because I have few friends that they are really speak like a native speakers, and their grammar is perfect. They never make mistakes. They do make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, but they speak good English when it comes to grammar, and they know many words. And the reason that, because they read so much. Those friends, they recommended me to start reading, and that is when I noticed reading is very important. So if you're English learner, you need to read any language. If you learn Spanish, Hindi, Chinese, whatever language you're learning, just start reading, and you will improve so much. You wouldn't expect the first day, if you week, but later you will see a huge result. So always focus on improving your reading, your grammar, and your vocabulary as well. So yeah, that's the good news, guys. I just started reading, and if there anything that maybe if I improve so much, if I didn't see any result, I will let you know on my video as well. Last video I talk about how I speak English because of that time, that day I was really very disappointed because of the way I speak in. Sometimes I speak Rush English. I don't know if this video really, if you guys understand it so much, but if you don't understand it, please let me know at the comment, and if you understand as well, let me know at the comment. So because of I want to improve my speaking, the way I speak, because of when it comes to speaking for me, sometimes I speak a little bit rush. I don't speak quickly like a native speaker is, but I don't know, maybe I leave the words at west. Maybe, I don't know, people, they sometimes when I talking to them, they say, what do you say? Could you say that again? Repeat that again. I was like, what language I'm speaking? So I want to improve my speaking as well. And yeah, reading is very important for me. I start reading right now. I've been reading for 2 days and I already read 50 pages. So I'm planning to read whole book just 1 week, and I'm gonna keep reading. So I think it's not, the goal is not reading many pages or like something like that. Is the goal is to be consistent over time and keep reading. So right now the way I saying I read 50 pages just 2 days, it seems like a little bit motivation, but after when the motivation fades, we will see what happened. But I'm pretty confident no matter what, I want to keep reading and keep practicing my language. So guys, our video, that's all today. All I do is just sharing my progress and how I speak English, and that is how I want to become fluent. So every day speaking in front of the camera, I got mirror as well, speaking in front of the mirror, and second of all, speaking in online, and then yeah, and myself as well. While at home, don't shy, just speak by yourself. For me, I do speak by myself while at home, cooking, playing games, whatever I do, I just speak to myself. I talk to myself. Some people, they say you are crazy, but who cares? I just want to speak. So guys, see you next video. Love you all. Please, if you don't forget to hit the like button this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Say something, bro. You are a grown-up man and you are a grown-up girl. You don't know what to say, so just say something. Even your own language, I will translate on English. So just say something, and see you next video, guys. And watch my other video. Have a good one.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.